guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't done a video sitting right here in a long time. This is gonna be a quick video, but I'm really excited for it. I bought, where is it? Oh, did I lose it? Uh-oh. Oh, found it. Lip Surge Plumper by Lipstick Queen. It has like caution tape looking thing on it, so I'm nervous. The one that I got is the black tinted one because I heard that this one works better than just the clear gloss. So I wanted to get the maximum plumpage, you know? Is that a word? Plumpage. As you guys probably know, I've had lip filler before. It's probably mostly dissolved by now because I got it pretty early last year. I really want to get some more, but until then, this might be a good fix. I have heard that it burns really bad. I'm super nervous for that, and I hope that it doesn't like do anything bad to my lips. It doesn't sound like it's good for your lip health for it to burn that bad. This light is super funky. I'm sorry. The photographer in me is like all annoyed by my shadow and stuff, but it's so gloomy and you might hear some thunder. Almost said lightning. It's been super loud. I'm so scared right now. I think this was like $20. I got it from Ulta. It was sold out and then I checked again the next day and it was back in stock. It doesn't look like there's very much product on the wand. Maybe that's a good thing. I've been curious to see what the black gloss will look like on my lips. Oh god, it's already starting to burn. That was really quick. It kind of smells like that big red gum, the cinnamon one. I don't know if that's even still a thing anymore, but my dad used to get that when I was little. It was too spicy for me at the time. Okay, it's really starting to burn. I'm super curious how much it can plump my lips since they're pretty small. I have a bottom lip, but my top lip is so angled that it looks even smaller than it actually is. Okay, the amount of heat that I feel right now, the burning sensation, kind of feels like a little more intense than when you get some In-N-Out chili juice on your lip. Does anyone else get those chilies? Because they're so good. I put them on my french fries and in my burger. Okay, I would say it's about 3 times that spicy right now. Let me see. I'm gonna start timing it. It's been about a minute since I've had it on. It burns pretty bad, but it's not like super painful. I don't know how to explain it. Kind of like eating some really spicy food but on your lips instead of in your mouth. We are about 2 minutes in now. I can't tell. Have they gotten bigger? Should I put another layer on? Let me read this and see if there's any... No instructions. I wonder if it's bad that I had chapstick on before, but I was afraid that this would irritate them, so... Ooh, it's getting kind of red under here. Oh god. Probably some of my makeup in my creases right here. I actually think it's burning a little bit more now than it was a minute ago. We're about 3.5 minutes in now. It's getting so dark. It's only 2:20 p.m. so I don't know why it's so dark right now. I think they are getting bigger actually. I wonder how long it stays though, or if I could like put some other kind of lip gloss on top of this so that it doesn't have to be black tinted, but my lips are pretty irritated. They're really red and not so black right now. I'm afraid to do this, but I'm gonna do it for the entertainment factor. I'm gonna put on another layer. Okay, there's a spot that really hurts right here. I'm kind of afraid. No, air hurts worse. I feel like my eyes are gonna start watering. I think it was starting to like just ease off the pain a little bit and then I put more on and now it hurts way worse. I have a pretty high pain tolerance, but like it hurts just to put my lips together. This cannot be good for you at all. They're so red. It's been 6.5 minutes now since I first applied it. I started this about a minute late. This is intense. I kind of want to take some selfies and see what it looks like. My lips are really weird though because of the angle of my top one, so it doesn't get that same plump effect like my bottom one does. The one thing that I don't like about lip plumpers is that they make my lips so red, and I'm not like a red lip kind of person. I like them to look more neutral. They hurt real bad. Oh, that one was attractive. super blurry. I didn't think it was gonna get worse, but it's at that maximum burn right now. Hopefully maximum burn. Let's hope that it doesn't get worse than this. Oh, I like this filter. It gives me 2 butts on my cheeks. Butt cheeks. I'm so funny. Dude, my lips actually do look big on here. Kind of. I mean, big for me. No one's gonna know I used this though. Maybe someone will say something. It's red all around the edge of my lips. This is really, really irritating them. But it's cool to have for like taking pictures. I might be able to wipe it off and put some other color over it. Maybe. I don't know if that would hurt too much. I feel like they look pretty plump in this picture though. But look at those things. I have lips. Okay. It's been 16 minutes. I haven't looked at them for a few minutes. I was like distracted by my social media stuff. They got pretty plump. I'm pretty impressed by this. They're super glossy, which always makes lips look more plump too. The stinging died down. It's definitely still burning, but like I kind of don't mind it. Not at this point. I love this Burt's Bees chapstick. The one that's peppermint and vitamin E. Yeah, because it does give that tingly peppermint feeling and it makes it feel like they're actually moisturized. I hate any kind of chapstick that feels like it's just a wax sitting on top of your lips. Makes me crazy. I'm super, super picky with chapstick. This feeling is actually kind of comforting to me. You can definitely see around that it's red. I don't think it's something that people should wear all the time, but I don't know. I have no idea what's in it. I know nothing about what these ingredients are. There's a word on here that looks like cinnamon, but I don't think they're gonna get any more plump than this. I'm not going to put on a 3rd layer because I don't feel like getting my lip to bust open or something. I don't know what would happen. Yeah, if you guys have any other products that you think I should test, let me know down below. Let me know what your favorite lip plumpers are if you use any. And if you've tried this one, let me know what you think about it as well. I do want to take a minute to talk about this new business that I'm a part of called Rock Your Hair. They have some really amazing hair products and soon to come out with makeup products as well, so I'm really excited about that. It's from the creators of Big Sexy Hair. They have awesome products as well, so I knew from the start that I would love these. I'll probably do an unboxing video when I get my box this month so that I can show you guys everything. I'm sure I'll do some tutorials, maybe even go live and show you some products. If you want to get 30% off of their products, then use my code ALYSSA30 for 30% off, like I just said. But also, if you'd like to join my team and learn how you can work from home and become your own boss, have your own flexible schedule while still making money, especially during this scary time where a lot of people are out of work and struggling to pay their bills and stuff, then click the link in the description down below. You can always message me on Instagram and on Twitter. There are payment plan options to buy your first product so that you don't have to make a big purchase all at one time. It's going to blow up and it's going to be so exciting, so the people who jump on it right away have a very big advantage at succeeding with this company. But yeah, all of that information will be down below in the description. Check out all my other social medias as well. I would really appreciate it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for continuing to support me. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and leave some comments down below. Subscribe if you haven't already so you can become a part of my family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!